Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Before starting our main area, I want to put some notes in our code. Header area starting and make it disabled, ending. Let's put another comment here. Navbar area starting, area ending. Putting sort of comment in our project is going to be very helpful to troubleshooting and developing our project. Let's start our main area. I want to create a div for cover left side and right side area, and then I'll put left side and right side inside that row div. Let's create our left side div left side, and let's create a box, class name box. You can assign any name you want, and let me give a h2 to title, article title, and let's put another information little bit smaller than title, Arthur John Doe. And let's create another div for image of the article image. I'll add image here later, and let's put some text, paragraph p lorem 5 and p lorem 15, and let's add a href tag here to say read more, and let's save it. You see guys, let me add images here to have a look at it. I want to add couple of images in our project. I added 2 images in our project. You can download all images with project. Let's close it and let's assign our image 1.jpg and let's save. You see guys, our image is so big. Let's assign style to our left side class. Let's make it float left because that side is going to be our left side and I want to stick that side to left, and with 75% because I'm going to use 25% for right side. I need to assign some CSS to image class as well. Article image with 100%, a 200 pixel, and I need to add maximum width as well to make it mobile friendly. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.